nature and natural process. Now, before I move ahead with my topic, I want to tell you something else. A manufacturer knows about his product inside out much better than anyone else. He prescribes how to use it, what are do's and don'ts. And if we don't follow his instruction, his product doesn't last. So, nature has created everything, and nature knows about its creation much better than anyone else in this universe. Now, what is the cause of all these sufferings and disasters? Every now and then we hear even young people, children, dying of cardiac arrest, people dying of cancer, kidney problem, diabetes, heart problem. Why? When it was not there when I was young, these things we hardly heard about this. And now it has become common. The reason is interference in the natural process, interference in nature and its process, misusing natural resources. This is the main cause, main reason. Pollution, adulteration, and unhealthy habits. Now, it is from WHO that alcohol in any limit, in any quantity, is injurious to health. And alcohol has become common. Even social media, they project alcohol as if it is a cold drink or a juice. So, and adulteration of food. We need more food, and the farmers, the agriculturists, they go on adding chemicals for fast growth of vegetables and fruits, and these chemicals are cancer causing. Apart from that, we are in the name of progress, in the name of modernization, we don't look at the atmosphere, our climate. We are going on polluting our climate, and we hardly care about it. We are living for today and now. We are not thinking about future, our children. So now it is time. There is hardly any more time left. It is time that the world must realize and mend its ways. We must check pollution, we must check adulteration, and develop healthy habits. Now, we used to do a lot of cycling. Now, you find even children using two wheelers to travel just a kilometer. They don't want to walk. Now, these are unhealthy habits. Street food, in the name of taste, they eat whatever comes their way. Whatever they like, they go on eating. And the disease, most of the diseases start from the stomach, from our digestive system. So we must become aware of our environment, our climate, our habits, and mend our ways, or else I don't know what will happen in future. Now please like and share this video as much as possible and do comment what you think about it. Thank you.